Welcome back to Lecture 4. Why take this course? Well, the last lecture, we went over the big picture of what you were going to learn. And I showed you earlier that the app that you're going to do. And it really looks neat. And I know you're probably excited about getting started with that. But why should you take this course? What makes it stand out from any other course? Well, first of all, you're going to think for yourself. This course is designed, has a whole different momentum where as you go through the course, you're going to be doing certain challenges, and I'll be making you think about your own ideas, and you'll be doing things on your own parallel to the music video app. And also there are 32 coding sessions. Each one builds upon the last one, and you're really going to be able to get a lot of concepts and understand a lot of things as you go through them. And then you're going to be able to take that same knowledge and apply them to your own work and your own challenges. So when you're done with this course, you should have your own app in addition to the music video app. But one of the most important things is our journey never ends. Now, Lecture 77 on What's Next talks all about this, and I get real detail, but I wanted to bring this up in the very beginning before you even take the course, because this is really what makes this course stand out. See, this course, when you're finished, our journey just begins. All right. Once we have the app done, we'll be working together to build the app out. I'll be reaching out to everyone about where do we want the app to go? What other features do we want to build out? What other frameworks and libraries do we want to use? All right. And there's going to be tons and tons of stuff that I'm going to be doing. I have, again, it's all laid out in Lecture 77 of what I have planned so far, of a lot of all the bonus material. But the number one thing, every month I commit to put at least one new video out every month, at least. And that will be based upon your feedback or what interests you. It could be some new iOS feature. It could be something that we decide we want to build out in the app. So, and you never, ever have to worry about when iOS changes, goes to iOS 10, iOS 11, or Xcode upgrades, or there's a new version of Swift. You never have to worry about it, because this course will always work on the latest versions. I will always make sure that everything's updated. And I'll give you an example. If there's a part, let's say there's a featured functionality like search that we're using, and I'm using the latest search right now, but let's say they came out with some new feature, something that replaced something that was old. I'm going to go back and reshoot that video with the new search. All right. So it's never, ever going to be outdated. And you never have to worry about buying another course here, because what I'm going to do is every time they update the operating system, I'm not going to bundle things together and take 70-80% that stayed the same and just come up with another course and just show you the new features. You're always going to get the latest changes on this course for life. All right. So that's my commitment to you. And we're going to work together. Now I talk a lot about source control management and Git and GitHub and the remote repository. So I want us to work together and collaborate. And I do that throughout the course. For example, if you have a problem and you're working on something and you tried everything to solve the problem, you'll be able to make me a collaborator on GitHub. And I'll be able to go out and look at your code and give you feedback and suggestions. And I encourage my students to collaborate with other students. And you'll see that as we go through the course, that I want you to reach out. I want you to team up. Maybe you may want to do one of your challenges with another student, or you may want to team up on a project. We're all in this together. We're going to learn together. I'm going to learn from you, and you're going to learn from me. We're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to continue to learn and build out new functionality and do new things all the time. And that's what makes this course very, very different. And also, as you'll see as you go through this course, the pace is very different. The style is very different. I engage. We're very interactive. And so you'll see as you start going through these videos and start picking up momentum, I think you're going to pick up right away how different this course is from other courses. But I have to say that this is sort of a medium to an advanced course. So I will explain everything that I do, but if you're coming from no experience whatsoever and you haven't done any iOS development whatsoever, then you're going to learn a lot, because I'm going to talk about concepts and things, but you're not going to get out of this course of somebody who already did take another course. So I encourage anyone who's watching this right now, if you haven't taken another iOS development course first, I advise you to do that first before you take this course. But again, you will learn a lot by taking this course, but it's not designed for you right now. So I just want to set the expectations up front, because I want every person who takes this course to get the most out of it. Anyway, that this kind of ends. I'm going to stop here because I want you to start now, getting forward. We're going to go through the whole roadmap, the what we're going to do, and on the next lecture, and so I will see you then.